Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video right now, it's because you want to learn how to make money online. And I know you guys are probably looking for something, looking for opportunities, probably searching online, trying to find ways how to make money online. And I understand that. Now, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel and you want to learn why, you want to learn more about how to make money online, especially if you're a complete beginner, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell as well, because it lets YouTube know every time when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay? Because every time when I talk about affiliate marketing, a lot of people a lot of people still don't know the actual affiliate marketing. If you just let me demonstrate it to you and show you everything step by step, then this is an amazing opportunity that you would get. Okay? Now, if some of you guys are probably don't have no experience and probably don't know how to build your own list, then don't worry, because I do have a system, an automated system that does that for you. Okay, so that means you can get paid for free and you can upgrade at any time as you like. Okay, so I'm gonna go over some things with you about this amazing opportunity. So if you want to stay tuned and you want to continue watching this video and let me show you step by step of what you're gonna be doing when you sign up, then go ahead and hit that subscribe and turn those notification bells on as well. And don't forget to comment down below to let me know where you're at. To let me know what state are you from, what country are you from. So if you from anywhere from the United States or if you're from another country, then I want to say, hey, how are you doing? Good morning, good night, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. Um, if you want to participate in this opportunity, then go ahead and watch this video all the way to the end. And then there will be a link in the description down below if you want to check it out. Okay. So most of you guys who probably never heard of this opportunity, but before I show you that, I make videos on a regular basis that's teaching you guys how to make money online. Okay. So this is the reason why I'm giving you guys my opportunity right now, so you can implement this and start making some money. Okay. So enough about me. Let's head over to a website called Cliqly.com. Okay, so Cliqly is a email automated system that allows you to build your list for free and get paid for free. Okay, so if you never heard about Cliqly, Cliqly has been around for like at least a year, but I just started today. So I'm going to show you my results. Okay. So basically, yes, I did my own research and I did it and I trusted. So basically, I am going to keep this program and I am going to continue grow more, to grow more subscribers and download my subscribers so I can turn them into like automated business partners. You know what I mean? So, yes. So basically, guys, here it is right here. So, if you want to grow, it said, want to grow your business, send 1.4 million emails monthly to our pre-built list. So you get a pre written email swipe that have everything, that have affiliate links in there for you, all that with your affiliate link in there. So that means if somebody, like, let's say you send out 5,000 emails, right? And then that person, you get paid 10 cent per click. CPC is earning per click. So CPC means earning per click. No. EPC is earning per click. Sorry about that. And cost per action, CPA is cost per action. Okay, that's what it stands for. So, guys, this system does work for me, and this will definitely work for you. But I wanna show you my results. So, give me a good moment, and let me just explain how this program works. Okay. So, if you want to grow your business in 30 days, and you want to start making residual income, then that means you have to send out 5 emails a day. You have to send at least like 15 emails a day or however you want to do it. But if I was you, I would send 5,000. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to see how it works. Okay. So when you click on here, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to watch the 14-minute video. I mean, you're going to watch You're gonna watch the video, the presentation. You're gonna watch the 13-minute and 9-second video that's gonna explain how the system works. Okay, so just give me a good. All right. So basically, guys, yeah. So when you click on here, click how see how it works, and then it said, "Do you want to make money online? Make money." It said, Do you want to make more money online?" So if you're 100% serious, then you say yes, and then once you do that, it's gonna say, "Welcome to Cliqly," and then once you do that, then you can do this. Okay. So once you do that, guys, then you be straight. Okay. So let me see about the pricing. Uh well, you have to see that once you're in the inside. But anyway, guys, if you want to see features like this is an email marketing system. So here's it is. I'm gonna give you a demonstration how everything works, okay? So results driven email marketing. You are just seconds away from emailing hundreds of thousands of potential new customers and finding out how easy email marketing can be with Clickly. Built-in, ready-made, built-in, ready-made email list that connects to hundreds of thousands instantly. Pre-written and pre-approved emails designed to get real traffic to any offer you choose. Choose email marketing training shows you how to choose an offer and start generating sales immediately. All right, guys. So this is telling you how does everything works. Okay. So let me log into my back office real quick. I'm gonna log in real quick. All right. So this is it right here, guys. You can see this is my back office, as you can see. So right now I have over 14,668,663 leads, lists, total leads. Okay, I could send out. Uh, and you get 5,210 open lists. All right, and you get 160,000 credits. All right. So guys, this program and this let me show you. When you log into your back office, guys, and you create your account, make sure you go to your settings and go to account settings and make sure you click that. Click your account settings and make sure you put your new password and confirm the same password, your new password, and put the same thing right here and update it, okay? And it's gonna ask you, do you want to save your password? Yes. If you're on a Google Chrome, please save it. Because if you do not save it, then guess what? Then you will have to talk to the owner, and the owner will have to to uh, to see if they can reset your password for you. All right. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. So I'm in the back office in the members area. So this is where you're gonna get access to once you click the link in the description. So the link will be in the description. So just make sure you click that link in the description so you can watch the so you can watch the 13-minute 9-second video that's going to explain about the free system. Okay, I want you guys to pay attention when it comes to doing email marketing. Okay, because this is something that's going to able to help you make money online, especially if you're a complete beginner. Okay, so just make sure you just stay on top of that. So on the left side, you get welcome to the team. You get welcome to the team. You get step one. So I'm gonna walk you through how to do this. Okay. I'm gonna show you, but I'm not gonna like click on it because I already did my part. So basically, guys, this is very simple and easy. Okay. So if you at step one and you at Clickly Pro, you can send out to 75,000 people. Okay, emails a day. But to so look, this is how you're gonna do it. It says step one, Clickly Pro, send 75 emails a day to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, we load it into this members area for free. All right, so guys, you can do this for free. All right, this is for free. You only get a 1 week of trial. Okay, so if you signed up, you can still make money with this program, with this business opportunity that's gonna allow you to generate more income, and then you can finally upgrade and pay $97. And guess what? You want to know something about this too, guys? Let me tell you something. Let me go to my let me go to check my commissions real quick, and let me log in real quick. Oops. Hold on. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. What's going on with my stuff? Oops. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay. Give me one moment, guys. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I just had to put in something. I had to put in my password. Sorry about that, guys. All right. So we're in our All right. So we're in our back office now. So now we're going to check. Oh, so if you get a referral, this is how you do it, guys. So the deferral program, this is how it works. So so basically, if you send emails to a bunch of people, right, and they want to join, and they join for free, and once their trial is up, then they can upgrade to the $97, and you can earn $97 when the new members upgrades. So that means you can earn 100% commissions on every sale that upgrades. So that means you're already making your money back. So that means every time, like you can okay, here how it works. When you upgrade one time, guys, it's only $97 one time. Okay? $97 one time. And you don't have to have no monthly fees. So that means the list they give you, you can start implementing that and start making more profits. Okay. So if I go to my commissions, let me check my commissions, and I'm gonna show you my profits. Okay. All right. So I made $2.20 with this opportunity. But you get paid 10 cents per click. So right now I'm sitting at $2.20. I have 22 clicks, and I have 10 cents per earning. So I earn earnings per click, means like you earn 10 cents per click, but it adds up into dollars. So that means there's no one-time bonuses, no referral, no CPA referrals, but just only level one. Okay. So yeah, guys, I've been working on it. So these are my small commissions right now, but it adds up. So the more emails you send out, the more money you're going to start making. Okay. So that's how it works, guys. So I just want to, um, matter of fact, let me demonstrate you how to send emails. Okay. So if you don't know how to send emails, then do this. Watch this 13-minute video that's going to explain you how you can send your emails. Okay. Or you can actually just read this. It should able to tell you how to do it. But normally, what you want to do, guys, you want to watch this 13-minute video that's going to explain how you can send emails, daily emails. Okay. So that's what you want to do. Okay. So right now I have Right now, I have 31 that's open. I sent over 5,001 members. I mean, I've sent 5,001 emails that sent out. And earlier today, like I sent out 5,000, another 5,000. This one, yeah, I sent out 5,000. So I'm gonna send out another one again. So hold on. Okay. Now we're gonna find a different one that's going to either let us up. Okay, we can do this one. And then I'm gonna send that right now to my list. All right, so I send that to my list, guys. So that's how you do it, okay? You can select which email swipe you want to pick. So either any email you want to pick, guys, you can normally do that, okay? So yeah, this program does work, and it does help a lot of members. But I'm just getting started, so like I said, if you want to get a part of this opportunity, then go ahead and click the link in the description, okay? So that way you'll be a part of this amazing opportunity as well. So you can get access to a free system that allow you to build your list and getting paid 10 cents per click. Now, if you want to upgrade and start making $97 every time when the member upgrades, you're going to start making 100% commissions automatically, guys. So without that being said, guys, my name is Shaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for watching my video. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and make sure you turn those notifications on as well, and hit that comment section down below, and let me know where you at, and tell me how you like this video from 1 to 10. So if you like it, then give me a thumbs up. All right. So without that being said, guys, my name is Jaquan Moultrie, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And I see you guys on the other side. All right, y'all. Peace out.